Hello guys, today I'll talk about a disease called fire blight. This disease is caused by a bacteria called Erwinia amylobora. This bacteria is a gram-negative bacteria and their hosts are apple trees, pears, and several ornamentals in the rose family. Some symptoms are blossom water sucking and necrosis, leaf blight, root lesions, etc. The common signs are the ooze in the leaf. So let's talk about the disease cycle. In this here I put numbers in every step, in every keyword, and then I also put the numbers in the figure to try to get information from these steps, because also this figure have uh, text information that will help us to do our disease cycle. So let's start with survival. The bacteria overwinters in cankers. The primary inoculum are the pathogens cells on surfaces of all over cankers. For example, here we see the number 1. So the bacteria overwinter in the whole over canker. And if you see here is like a fly, an insect. This fly will be important. Okay, so the bacteria are dispersed by rain and insects. So here's the fly. Rain and insects. The infection cord are the flowers, and then we will have the shoots, the fruits, and rootstock. But first, we will talk about the flowers. Why? Because the insects, this fly, move the bacteria from the ooze that is present here in the canker to the flowers. They will fly to the flowers, and then they will be attracted for the flowers because maybe they have nectar, and then these flights will move from these ooze cankers. From these cankers, they can touch the ooze, so they can carry the bacteria in your body, and then they move to the flowers. These bacteria invade flowers through nectaries, and then the bacteria spread intercellularly in the tissue where the canker will be developed. So that's the infection and colonization, right? The bacteria move intercellularly in the tissue, and then canker will develop. The secondary inoculum are bacteria ooze on the plant surface. For example, here, number 6, bacteria ooze on plant surface. And here is like a question: what is bacteria ooze? Well, bacteria ooze is an exudate. It is slimy substance that consists of bacteria cells and sugar. So any insects can come here too, can walk in the leaf and move these bacteria to other leaf, and then the bacteria will enter to the shoot, fruits, and rootstock through some wounds that can be made by storms or other insects, etc. And then the bacteria will be able to colonize new tissues in these organs, shoot, fruits, and rootstocks, and then they will also develop cankers. And on these cankers, the bacteria will be able to overwinter again, and the cycle will start again. I hope this explanation was good for you, and this is the reference I used to do this video. Thank you guys.